Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your iPhone 16 is on the latest iOS and has a backup. This preserves profiles. Once done, connect to reliable Wi-Fi so activation can finish without interruptions. Next, open Settings and go to Cellular to view current eSIM entries. Make a note of the carrier name and plan label. Then disable airplane mode and ensure Bluetooth is off to avoid profile conflicts. These first steps prepare the phone and account, so the eSIM reconnection proceeds cleanly. You now remove the problematic eSIM and then re-add it to force a fresh activation. First, tap the eSIM plan and choose Remove Cellular Plan. Confirm removal. Once removed, restart the iPhone 16. A full restart clears lingering network caches. After the restart, return to Settings Cellular and choose Add eSIM, scan the carrier QR, or enter the activation code exactly as provided. Make sure to name the plan so you can identify it, and keep Wi-Fi on while activation negotiates with the carrier. You finish by verifying the eSIM shows the carrier, displays signal bars, and can make calls or use data. If things still fail, perform Settings General Transfer or Reset Network Settings. This clears network-level conflicts, but requires you to reconnect to Wi-Fi and re-enter VPNs. If activation repeatedly fails, contact your carrier and provide the eSIM IXID and your iPhone ID. They can push a new profile. One tip: toggle eSIM off and on in Cellular to trigger a re-registration before calling support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.